I have something planned for today. Gonna have a little bit of fun today. And I have to show you a few things out there in the garage facility that we did yesterday that I couldn't film because it was just busy, busy, busy. A couple things I want to show you before I take you out there. Did get a few things in the mail. Got my U-bend 2.5 inch. Woo! My 2.5 inch U-bends. And I got my UJ 2.5 inch all mandrel bent piping. So you know what that means. New garage door. We just put up a new garage door. And this is a double layered. It's got the metal inside and out with the double layered insulation in the inside. And move some stuff around so I have a little bit more room in here. And ooh, what's that metal over there? Let's see. Whoop, past that. Okay, now the car's here. Okay. I do have a grill for the TT. So that I'll have to mount in there. That is out of a 2011 Audi A4 Quattro. And it's a little bit different than my '06. Just measurement wise, it is a little bit different. So, and as far as measurements for my front bumper, it is a little bit different. So I actually have to do a little bit of adjustment on the front bumper to make that fit, and a little bit of adjustment on the grill to actually make that fit. New 45s there, and I've got a new 3 to 2.5 inch adapter to go on the inlet housing of the turbo. And then some of the stuff around. I know, shut up, I need to clean up my toolbox. I have 2.5 inch 90s. I've got my teal 50 mil blow-off valve mild steel flange. But I also got my 3-inch V-bands for the exhaust. That's just so I can finish my downpipe, finish this, and get this in the car. I know, don't comment on the welding on this because that was my mistake, and I cut it a little too short and had to put a filler in. But anyways, I got my V-bands. I got my V-band 50 mil for the blow-off valve. Also got all my couplers that I need, and got my grill. So perk of having a father that is a manager at a body shop, I get some free stuff. Also have a hood for that, but it's actually for the '09, new body style '09. But I can do something with it. Airbrush it, paint it, put it up somewhere. Alright, so today, instead of actually doing another episode of Daily to Track Car Build, just for the simple fact that I don't have any MIG wire and I don't have any inert gas, I can't. It's not that I can't. I don't want to chance the risking risking the chance of having any pinholes in my intercooler piping on my welds with flux core. So I need to get some inert gas and I need to get some MIG wire for my welder before I actually start doing any of the intercooler piping or anything. So today, I'm gonna get rid of this old thing and I'm going to build a new one out of piping, angle iron, and those dolly wheels over there. So, battery's about dead in this thing. I'm going to throw a new battery in it, and I'm going to set you guys up, and I'll start working. How to let my batteries charge. All my batteries ended up dying, but this is what I've got done. Whole thing. So now all I gotta do is go around, grind down some welds. I might grind down some welds and paint her up a little bit. And put myself a nice little handle on there. Got a little rod for all my brushes, and this is for my helmet and for my gun wire and ground wire and everything. So worked out pretty good. So I'm going to maybe grind some welds down and then throw a coat of black paint on her. Better yet, I'm gonna do some white. That's pretty cool. So here is the finished product. Got a nice homemade welding cart, a welder cart. Hold the welder nicely. Need to figure out something a little bit different for my cables though. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this build video. I know it wasn't much, but that right there, it may not look like much, but that is going to help a lot around here, because this thing, which is going to the scrap yard, it just did not hold up. The wheels kept falling off. I couldn't weld on this table, so it was horrible. Needless to say, it was horrible. This table, Stevie B. Random and I built. It's horrible. It's not worth anything. It was good for a temporary thing, but I got all this angle iron. I got these, all this metal here, and I thought, let's just go ahead and build one. It'll be worth it. So I did. I mean, as you guys can see, move it around real easily, and wherever I need it. Now it'll fit in pretty tight areas, and now I can set it right there in front of my box for storage when I'm done. And I do need to clean all this up and straighten it all up. But first, I am going to clean up the garage, clean that off, get everything that I need off of it, toss it out back in our scrap pile, and figure out how I'm gonna do this grill. That'll be a different video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I love building things. That's just the kind of person I am. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stick around for more builds, more of the Audi, and some adventures coming up. So stick around, keep an eye on some videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.